Buy one, take one.
Tommy.
Oh, dude.
Okay, too much.
Oh, God, he's tried it like 3 times. Yeah, you know.
Okay, too much. Too much. If you start off with the action.
Take a tour.
Dad, make sure you don't get me in the shot.
Yeah.
No, I'm just saying because it's gonna roll.
Okay. You rolling?
Yes, I'm rolling.
Tommy. Come here, bro. Come here.
Oh,
Hey.
what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that, dude?
Dude, what are you doing?
What the fuck is that? Is that Gina? Dude, Gina, what are you doing here, dude?
What the hell, Gina?
What the fuck?
You been?
I fucking sorry. I got fired from whipped cream. Fuck.
No,
you know.
Dairy
Did you
Queen.
get
Dairy
fired for
Queen.
Dairy Queen?
God damn it! I had it!
You got fired from whipped
Okay,
cream.
let's just start from the. I'll come in again. And
Alright, just
so you want me to start?
Okay.
wait.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Come sit with us.
Take. Oh, hold on a sec.
Alright. So where am I going from? Sip or right? Wait. Alright, so what was my last word?
I'm gonna do some whippets.
I'm gonna do some whippets. Alright, ready? Dude, I'm gonna do some whippets, dude.
Tommy, are you in here? I've been looking for you everywhere. I can't
Oh
believe
my
you're
God.
here.
Gina!
What the fuck?
I'm so sorry, baby.
What's going on?
I got fired from Dairy Queen from doing whipped cream heads. You know what I
You
mean?
got fired from Dairy Queen again?
But baby, you got a fucking restraining order on me, you know what I mean? Like, I didn't think I could come home and hang out with you and the kids tonight. Like, I don't know what you thought what you got to do, you know?
That was so perfect. Saved my line.
I didn't think it was making out like that. I was trying to get it in my mouth. I'm sorry, I pulled it. Say go. Ready? Whipped cream shot. And go.
What kind of face was that?
Are we recording?
No.
Alright, so when you say go, I'm gonna do the whip it shot again, and I'm gonna do the instead of fucking throwing it everywhere.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
So ready.
Ready.
And go. 4, 3, 2. That was a good whipping shot, kid. You know what I mean? You know?
Are you in here? I've been looking
Oh, no, dude.
What are you doing?
Is that Gina, dude? Oh, man, I'm sorry. You know what I mean?
for you.
Fucking.
He's here.
Gina, I'm really sorry, baby. Like, I thought, because of the restraining order, I wasn't gonna get to go home if I can see the kids tonight, though.
Just because you have a restraining order doesn't mean you can't come home.
I know what you mean. And scene.
Were you in the way?
No.
Oh, okay.
No, actually, he was in the way blocking you.
Oh.
And then I came around, I got you, and then that light over there was taking me out.
Alright.
And so I was trying to get your head in front of the light.
That's how.
Okay. What? And this is.